Pay attention, realtors. If you've been steering clear of homes with solar, then this message is for you. This is your warning. America's homeowners are switching to solar at a rate of 1 new solar home every minute. In California, 2 in every 10 single-family homes now have solar, and the rate of solar adoption is accelerating. Recent solar adoption has been fueled by the always increasing cost of dirty energy from the utilities and attractive federal tax credits during the last decade. So it goes without saying that the lending and real estate industry and the solar industries are on a collision course that will reshape the real estate landscape of America forever. But there's more. There are more than 10 years of solar federal tax credits on the horizon, and hundreds of other state and local incentives luring your clients and prospects to electrify their lifestyles and go solar. So embrace it and follow the money. Let's do the math. If 10 to 20% of your clients also trusted you to help them go solar, how many of them could you help? Now let's say you made an additional $3,000 to $7,000 on average for each of those clients that you help go solar. How much does that add to your bottom line? As the trusted advisor in the home, your future success will require you to help your clients understand the many solar options available during and after their home search, and each of their respective benefits, both financial and environmental. And if you can't, then somebody else will, winning over your client's business one by one. Heard enough? Let our team of national solar energy experts help you turn solar into your competitive advantage. Increase your commissions and create deeper relationships with your clients by broadening your expertise and customer touchpoints in the home. Create more impact and generate more income simply by adding more value with solar. Get back with the person that shared this video with you, or scan the QR code to learn more from our expert team, and schedule your solar division discovery call now while bonus stock options are still available. This is the place. Now is the time. You're welcome.